I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. Let me tell you about Popl. It is a simple concept. It's using NFC technology as we're in the middle of a pandemic and we do not want to be handing out business cards to anybody. We can use something like Popl as a solution. It's got an integration between the actual physical thing, the Popl or the bracelet, and an app. Have a look. The bracelet, as you can see, is a very simple idea. It is just literally that, a bracelet. And it's got an NFC chip built right into it. So all you're going to do is just tap your phone to the band and you can easily give your contact information to someone else. No need to hand out a business card or anything like that. Easy peasy. Besides for the bands, there are the classic style Popl. This one is a sticker that will go on the back of your phone case, or something like this, which is the thin one that can go actually on the phone itself. So let's take a look what it looks like. Really, really small, really, really thin, and as you can see, super, super easy to put on. Just a sticker, and you can basically connect it right to your phone. And once you have it connected, it'll integrate all of your things like LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and it keeps growing and growing. Plus you can put your contacts. So something like your phone number, your email, your business address, all those things all in one, and all you're going to do is just use this little dot to make it work. Popl, what a great idea. I think you'll love it. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.